Guys, it's the Mighty Vlog. We're over here in the car show. Check it out. Super nice, guys. All right, he's got the police lights on, but I hope I don't get arrested over here already. Sweet, sweet. Okay, we got us some Honda. All right. Need to find out whose guy this is right now. Whose is it? It's yours? All right. Well, I don't know, but that guy right there with the 91,
yeah,
he likes doing some pulls, man. So you should hit him up after the car meet. It's only a 4-speed.
Just at the scoop, you can just see it.
Nice, nice. Okay, guys, the guy with the white Honda right here is this guy. What's your name, man?
Panda.
Panda. All right. If you ever see him around, man, give him a shout out.
No.
Okay, we see some Subi. Not too often you see this.
You have no. So you got 3 back seats. That's a street car. I want to put a roll cage.
Good grief.
This your daily? Yeah. Daily and one show. I can't do that.
Sweet, you guys. All right, guys. Let's go check out some other cars we got going on over here. How you go, guys? That's my other friend. Yeah, he pulls it too, man. He's I think he's actually trying to get rid of that thing still.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, he just got rid of a square body Fox Mustang.
Oh yeah.
It had NOS and everything on it, dude. It's crazy. But yeah, man. So
We should be a little bit bigger up next week. So
I have not fully got his car in a vlog, but today we're gonna get both cars in the vlog. I see him starting to grin over there off to the right. All right, ladies and gentlemen, here it is. You wanted to see it. Let's hit those LEDs for him real quick. Boom. Extremely bright, guys, so be careful.
I know it's so hard to get the freaking picture right.
I know. All right. All right, guys. So this is a 91, and it's my buddy Anthony. I'm gonna let him tell you what's all been done to it. All right, bro. Tell us everything that's been done to it so far, just in your perspective.
BMW wheels, 1-inch spacers.
Okay.
Shitty paintwork.
What?
Kicking out the rust holes. Redid the front brakes. Painted a valve cover on my buddy's trunk.
Painted valve cover. Can't go wrong with that.
Did an engine cleanup.
Engine
headlight
cleanup.
Conversion.
Okay.
Yeah, you see all that pretty gold.
Whole bunch of bullshit.
That's the rest of them through.
Got the racer tack on the dash. It's bigger than the Speedo.
Very smart spot.